Most humans on the planet have experienced acne at some point in time or another. Some people have it their entire life. Some people just have it for a few years during their adolescence. It's common. Basically, you have an issue where you're in a time of life where you're making a lot of hormones, which make you very attractive to a lot of the microorganisms that live in your world. Ironically, because maybe you're somewhat less attractive to the other humans in your world at that time in your life. Essentially, it's a time of life where you're growing a lot of skin all at once. It tends to build up. It tends to get stuck in some of the follicles. We make a lot of oil in that time of life. Rebecca might grow in your backyard, not in your guys' backyard, but in my backyard it does, because it's all dependent on where you live. You guys probably have echinacea here. We have it in Montana and the prairies, and they're pretty interchangeable by and large. They're antibacterial, they're antifungal, also conducive to a wash. Make it as a strong decoction, and we put it on with linen, flannel, whatever you want to put it on. Remember the old adage, starve a cold, feed a fever? Yeah, it's not that way. It's starve a fever, feed a cold. A cold usually goes on for a longer period of time. The first thing that happens when your body secretes some interference in response to a viral infection is your metabolism stops making protein. Protein synthesis stops. And it'll do that for 3 days. So that's why your hair falls out. That's why your skin sloughs away. It also keeps that organism from replicating, right? Because a virus is a pirate. It just took over your boat. It moved into your cells, and it's taken over your machinery, and it's making itself while you make you. So the only way to stop that is to stop making you, so that you also stop making the virus. And then other immune components can come in and play a role. So if you're talking about thermogenic agents that have weight loss as part of their kind of mechanism, now you're probably moving the body into a more stressed place than you are necessarily a place where it's able to recover.